whispers in the night, like hearts that are calling. A lonely sound of tears from above. I wonder when it will end, when I'll find love. Each drop of memory washing me away. Questions in the shadows, when will it be okay? Oh, the rain, it falls like a dark and fake. I'm standing in the storm and I'm starting to break. I wanna move on, find my peace at last, but the rain keeps coming, haunting like a past. I walk this road, searching for the light. Each step feels heavy, lost in endless night. Clouds above me, granite painting sky so gray. Oh, when will the storm clear and bring back the day? The echoes of the thunder rumble deep inside. As time for soft emotions I can't seem to hide. Oh, the rain, it falls like a darkened fate. I'm standing in the storm and I'm starting to break. I wanna move on, find my peace at last, but the rain keeps coming, haunting like the past. And all for the thunder rumble deep inside. There's a soft emotions I can't seem to hide. Oh, the rain, it falls like a darkened fate. I'm standing in the storm and I'm starting to break. I wanna move on, find my peace at last, but the rain keeps coming, haunting like the past. And I long for the sun to chase away the gloom, to wash away the sorrow, to fill up this room. But the clouds keep on rolling, no end in sight. In this balance of darkness, I'm losing the fight. So I close my eyes, let the rain hit my skin, let the sadness flow, let the healing begin. For sometimes it's in tears that the soul learns to mend, hoping that one day this rain will find an end.